Good day. So today I wanted us to do like a live server. So I was busy struggling with trying to do a live server right now for my demo, right, for Paystack. So I wanted to run one with you guys to see if I've learned enough, or like if I know how to do it. So right now you're gonna say you're gonna come to your JS for application, right, and then create a JavaScript file. After that, as you can see here on my back on my directory, what's happening, create a file, right, and then you say within the file, okay, first you need to install Express. Say const no npm, yeah, pros are going to use I, but then if you are install Express and hit enter, right, and then your it's going to install the package for you. Because I've installed it already, what am I going to do? I'm going to continue and say const Express, what we just installed, require an Express server. Okay, right, so we're gonna say const, we creating a new name for our server. Const, gonna call it an app, right? You can call it whatever, you can call it server if you want to, but then most people use app. But I'm gonna, for creativity purposes, we're gonna use server, right? Say equals Express function, right? And you say your server listens on port 3000, right? For example, usually it's gonna run on some ports, right? And you say here we need a function that is gonna tell us what's happening within the server, right? So you're gonna open brackets, and then you say open an object within the server. Give us in our console, which is gonna be here, right? Give logouts the server is running live, boom boom boom, and then you say you save, and then we're gonna come to the back end wherever your file is, right? Okay, I've directed to it, and I'm gonna say node, because we're using Node.js, right? And then you say run the application called app.js, and see the server is running live. And then I'm going to show you, if you're going to break it, things will break to show that it's no longer running. Like, let's say I break this line. See, with this Hazukishima, as we're not faking here. Let's see, we're gonna cancel. To cancel, you just say, I don't know in Windows, but then with Mac you say control cancel, and then you stop the server, right? And then try to run the server using the same command. This one, boom, const server express, a reference error, express is not defined. Or you try to use a function that's not defined here. So here we are defining the express function. And yeah, let's break it again. Let's run it. Run it up. Boom boom boom, it's running, eh? Let's try to break our variable of the server. Let's stop the server. Let's run it again. Now it's giving us another error. Server dot listen on 3000. Error, server is not defined. We don't have this, right? That's why it's giving us an error. Let's try to break it again and see what's gonna happen. let's just say express dot listen on 3000. I don't know what's gonna happen here, but then maybe it'll run. Let's see. Yeah, express listen is not a function. Yeah, this is not a so you need a way to get the application, get it out, and then you're gonna call it to listen, right? So we're gonna say maybe let's say let, another way to do your variables, let say the server's name equals, you get it from express the server, you named it server it's running. So yeah, that's another short way to make a server on Next.js. And then yeah, I'll come back with more content and some beginner content that I think is very useful.